After weeks of freezing cold temperatures, one HVAC company in my Grandville neighborhood tells me that they've actually been seeing a surge in service calls due to the temperature swings. Here's what they're seeing. Inside homes across Grandville, furnaces have been trying to keep up during our recently bitterly cold temperatures. And that's what's keeping technicians like Daniel Wilson busy in basements and utility rooms when some of those furnaces fail.
When the furnace is obviously running more problems are likely to persist.
And while some homeowners expect a quick fix, technicians say many are surprised by how old their systems actually are.
We get a lot of customers that say, I couldn't tell you the last time I had the furnace looked at, and they say, oh, it was installed, maybe 5-10 years ago, when actually it was installed 15 to 20 years ago.
During busy winter months, technicians say a few preventative steps can go a long way in avoiding a furnace failure that becomes an emergency.
Dirty air filters are our number one problem. Changing your air filter can really, prevent any service calls, especially during this time of year with the high call volume.
I'm Giselle Valentine, your Grandville reporter, Fox 17 News.